Your wheel, our wheel is in the ground right now.
We need a wheel?
Yeah, look at our wheel's in the ground.
I can't. Which one?
I took away your car.
Kyle's gonna ambush streamers.
I see it.
Back right.
I see it.
Kyle, wait for him. Just wait for him. They're coming.
Try and get an East Coast spawn. We're
Right,
gonna...
right.
What is that?
Kyle, here they come. Here they come, Kyle.
That's all the zombies. Look, there's all the zombies right there.
They're
That's all
coming
there.
up. Stop. They're coming up. What are you doing, yellow?
Get it. Come on.
Kyle, shoot him.
Hurry. Oh, yeah, hurry.
They're on the other side of the town.
Okay.
Anyone else hear that? Look at it. Look at it.
Kyle's gonna ambush these streamers. He's gonna punish them.
Get it.
That fucking Benny Hill.
If you don't get in, I'm going to fucking bang you. God damn it.
What is he doing? Leave him. Leave him.
Here we go, Kyle.
Yellow, go run his ass over.
They're gonna try and kill this guy, and then they're gonna come right after him.
Run him over. Leave him, go. Just go.
Here they come. Kyle, wait for it. Here they come. They're coming right on the other side of your town.
Look.
You made a move.
Here they are. Kyle, wait for the shot. Get the driver. The driver's on the left side. So you're right. You're right. Like a normal. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Just blow it up, Kyle. Just blow it up. Kyle, one's on the pier. Where you land the helicopter. To your left. He'll be coming up to your left.
Oh, my bad, guys. Black screen.
You blew up the URL. Yeah, Kyle. Right there.
We all died.
I gotta wait.
You'll see him coming straight at you.
You gotta wait.
I gotta wait.
Fuck you.
I just like fucking
Oh, I got two.
I got it all on camera.
They fucking shot me. I'm running away from the truck and then I got shot. Did you try driving? No, I ran and he sniped me.
Kyle just smoked Brotatoe.
I think he was a scripter because I was behind.
Dude, they're calling him a scripter.
The docks, and I got shot.
He's been following us with an AS-50.
Yeah, he's a scripter. There's no way he caught up to a Euro on foot.
Oh shit.
These kids are idiots. Dude, Kyle, there's more. There's more on the right side of the URL.
I didn't mean to drive right into that. That car, it was good to drive.
To your left, on the other side, like in the town. Log in and log out if you have to. It's fast. Log in, log out.